Alright, working on a Samsung dryer. Diagnosed this as a bad motor. So what happened was the motor would start, and then you would see pretty much a light coming from the capacitor, and then it would stop. So what we did was took a measurement here, and we had 120 volts coming in, constant. Of course, you had to, pull up your switch to get your electricity flowing through. So we had 120 volts constant coming in here, and then within a couple seconds of it running, it would go down. It would go down to, no, I'm sorry, a couple seconds of it running, it would stay at 120, but the motor would just stop. So then we checked our other wires here. So while I was running, we would get 120 through the closed circuit, and then it would open back up, and we would get 0 volts. So everything else looks good. Constant power coming all the way through from the control board down to the motor. But kind of like an alternator in the car. The motor won't keep the charge and keep going. All right.